During a recent stream, XQC spoke about his ex-girlfriend Adept, about the court case that they had, and he says that the judge dismissed the court case after his ex-girlfriend illegally sold his car that was supposed to be frozen by the same judge. Here is XQC's response and the community's for extra context.
Even though it was supposed to be frozen, the car was sold under the radar, which shouldn't be happening. And then, which would violate the agreement. And then I think once they went to the I was like, dude, this is brain dead. And we had the judge or whatever. They were like, I don't remember exactly like what the legal wording is or whatever. Basically, the judge was like, full dismissal. Like, I'm done with this shit. Like, the case was drawn for months, if not years, right? The whole process was a piece of shit, right? That whole lawsuit was absolutely disastrous. Basically, what I'm getting out of the response, what I'm reading out of that is that the judge was like, whatever the next, and dismissed everything, even though my car was sold illegally under her nose.
Extra context. In the segment he mentioned he filed 2 cases. The first one was for the McLaren, but XQC said there was some miscommunication with his lawyers, and so they forgot to include his BMW, which was also sold, I guess. This led to his lawyers closing the first case, it getting dismissed, not sure here, and opening up a new one that included both cars. However, because Adept paid the lawyer fees for the first case with the money she got from the cars, it got reopened, and now there's some f***ery going with both cases. Let's be honest, it's probably more likely X forgot to mention the BMW to his lawyers than them just forgetting about it. Good lawyers wouldn't let him forget something like that, especially since you would need to have some legal ownership to sell it in the first place. If I had to guess, he gave her ownership since he never had a license, and then tried to get his lawyers to claim he actually owned it, since he paid for everything and only gave her ownership, because he couldn't drive it. If it was joint property, there's no way it would have been dismissed with her getting everything,